What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I traded my friend's prop account from 8% drawdown to 3% in profits already. So, okay, guys. Firstly, I traded XAUUSD, and this is the trade. Let me tell you the reason why I took this trade. And the reason is simply because XAUUSD, it is bullish. It tapped this POI, and yeah, as I told you in the previous video, once I see this kind of trend, I know price will come and take this liquidity. So I just know that price is in an uptrend, so I should be looking for buys, right? So as price reached here, it started reversing. I noticed it's just reversing to clear this liquidity. So, and here is my closest closest POI, which is the breaker block. I found my inducement. So once price came and tapped this during New York session, I immediately placed my order. So let me show you the before. Let me show you the before of the trade. So this is it. This is the before of the trade, and then this is the trade right now. So, and again, and this is me taking the trade, and see it for your eyes, from 8% drawdown to 3% in profit. And probably I will pass the account by tomorrow. So that's it. What's up, you guys? Good morning. It's another day. Let me show you the quick update about the trade I was holding yesterday, where I was trading my friend's prop account from 8% drawdown, and finally I passed this account. As you can see, guys, I passed it 5,500. The account was, I collected the account around 4,600, and now that's, I made like, let me think, 8% plus what the fuck. So this is it. This is the trade history. As you can see, this is the first trade he took, and you can see he went through some series of losses, and I collect the account here. Actually, I was supposed to pass this account with this trade, but they charged me $27 as swap because I held the trade overnight. So that's it. So the second trade, I actually find my entry. I found my entry on the 5 minutes time frame. So I placed it. I was $11 away from the target, so I was targeting $15 on the second trade, but I don't know the reason why they closed this trade at $4.5. I don't have any clue. I don't know, spread high. I don't even know what's the reason actually. So I went down to 1 minute time frame, and so another entry. I just placed it. Immediately I saw 5,500. It was like 5,504 or something. Before I closed at 5,500.07. Anyway, I just passed the account in a single trade. See the trade history, the chart history. Can you see the first trade? Can you see the entry? The entry defines the trader. You guys, you should give me time from now, and you all will witness who is the FX Samir. It's just a matter of time. So bye for now. This is it. And sorry, let me show you it's a prop account, not just a demo. Yeah, it's a prop demo. Understood? So that's it. And it's a one phase account actually. And this is the chart. As you can see, the market is still moving. Yeah, 350 pips in profits. Yeah, it moved 350 pips in profit get. And please, whoever knows the reason why they took me out with $4.5 instead of 15, then please tell me in the comment section. And thank you guys. Do well to subscribe, like, share, comment, and turn on your notification button for more videos like this. Once again, congratulations, my friend. Congratulations.